Thank you so much. And next, Body Bag. Ang hirap na mga step niya, ha? At naman po tayo. Okay, thank you so much. And next, Mirasol. Hawak kayo, hawak. Okay, and next, Bariman. Ano ito? And next, Marina. Thank you so much. And next, Marina. And next, from Myanmar. And next, from Marinduque. Ano daw? So kami mag-a-adjust ngayon.
Bisaya yan! Bisaya!
Bisaya. Oh. Wala naman, lasing ka na, ha? Okay, next from Tawi-Tawi. And next from Cebu. Okay, thank you so much. This time, alright, we're going to choose, okay? Sino po sa inyo yung single? Who's single? So the rest of the single, yung mga byuda, ganon. Yung mga single dito po, ayan, single, double. Okay. Yung wala yung mga asawa nyo dito, sige, pwede na. Sige. Sige. Ikaw, Kimchu. Okay lang daw po to. Okay. Alright. Sige. Sila lang. Okay, yung po mga may asawa ko po na po. Sige. Okay, so this time... Dito po na kayo. Unlike si Paul Gonzalo, hindi yung may mga asawa upo na po. Siyempre masyadong marami. Okay, I'd like to call on Darrell. So Darrell, you're the one who's going to pick. I mean, oh yes. Yeah, that's you. And I'll be needing one chair in blindfold.
Gerald!
Okay, sige po, usap muna kayo dito. Alright, just take your seat. Yeah, just sit down. Okay, so we're going to put you a blindfold, but we're not putting you on the spot. Okay, so this time we have, come on guys, hindi magpapakilala lang kayo. Dito. Alright, so we have like would you able to choose it? Okay, hold on. Alright, this time around we have like 5 ladies here. So first is they're going to again introduce themselves. So we have like lady 1, lady 2, lady 3, lady 4, and lady 5. The number that you're going to choose, okay?